So now I will show you how to connect to a VPN server. First, we will create a VPN connection. So we need to go to Control Panel and then click on Network and Sharing Center. It will show you an option to set up a new connection or network. Select the last one, which is set up a dial-up or VPN connection. Click on Next, then click on VPN, then paste the details you had saved. There's the VPN name. You can change it or you cannot change it. It totally depends on you. Then I will click on Create. So my VPN connection is created. Now how do I connect to it? You just simply go to your internet connection part, and there you will see the VPN connection. Just click on Connect, and it will ask you for the username and password. So let me enter that thing. So how do I check whether am I connected to a VPN or not? I can just simply open an internet browser and type in what is my IP address. So let's go to this website, which is whatismyipaddress.com. Okay, let's pass this checkpoint. Or not. Okay, so my IP address is changed and it says the location is Pune, Maharashtra, and the country is India. So thank you all for watching this video.